Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well and fine on this beautiful June day. One day I will know what month we're in. Anyway, so today's video I have an unboxing from the lovely people at Paintsomeway. So yes, that's going to be interesting. I think I've got 2 canvases and 1 off canvas, okay? So first and foremost, if you have not done so already, if I could ask you to consider liking and subscribing and following me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Borgies Diamond Arts. There we go. Right, I'm going to flip the camera around and you can see the lovely products. Right, okay, so huge thank you to the lovely people at Paintsomeway. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to dig in and just get one item out at a time. Now I do remember ordering this one. It's really cute and colourful. So this one is a 30 by 30 full drill canvas and it's of the lovely Tweety Pie. Yes, I remember him from my childhood. I used to watch him and Sylvester the cat all the time. And in the words of Sweet Tea, we meet again, tiny drill bags. Yes, we've got those teeny tiny drilled bags with the foil numbers written on for the DMC codes. But unfortunately, they really rub off really easily. There's nothing wrong with the diamonds inside them. It won't stop me doing this painting, but just be careful not to touch the DMC codes on these bags because they do rub off really easily. Okay, so I hope you've all had a lovely weekend and a better start to the week. So now I'm just trying to help this canvas relax a little bit. Okay, so for those of you who are new, this just helps the canvas relax because we don't know how long it's been in the warehouse for, okay? So adhesive is really good and the size 30 by 30 is the overall canvas size, not the diamond painting size, okay? So we're just going to help smooth that side. Didn't go too well. This is very colourful. And I think this size, it should be fine because we only have one real image, which is little Miss Tweety Pie herself. And as I can see here, there's a lovely sparkle in the glue and the canvas as well, some glitter. Very nice. So this one has 22 colours. All the symbols are letters, but they're not in alphabetical order, but that's fine. And we do have, obviously, the DMC codes are there as well. Okay. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Do you like this one? Drill area is nice and clear. Sorry for the glare, guys. We do have a little bit of a glare going on here. Let's just turn that off. That's going to go with natural lighting today, I think. Okay, so that's the thumbnail there. So it's just little Miss Tweety Pie holding a rainbow umbrella. We do have a lot of colour blocking. There's our chart there. Yeah, we do have a lot of colour blocking in places. So behind in the background is all colour blocked. Down here is all confetti. Sorry, I'm talking to myself, I haven't zoomed you out. So the background is mainly colour blocked. Confetti area down here. Tweety Pie has a little bit of confetti, not too much, and obviously the umbrella has a bit of both as well. Not too sure how clear the eyelashes are going to come out, but you can sort of manipulate the diamonds around the eyelashes. But yes, we shall see. I think this one is super cute, super cute. Lovely. So I'm not going to get the diamonds out because obviously they're all in these teeny tiny drill bags, and I'm not going to touch them just yet until I'm ready to kit them up. Okay, so let me just show you these diamonds now. So we have yellows, purples, all the colours of the rainbows, quite literally. Got a lot of white in this as well. I think that's going to go in for the background. We've got some light blues there going on as well. But yes, I was trying to see, we've got the reds and the pinks, we've got a magenta there as well. We've even got a little light green there poking through as well. But yes, they look really good condition, these diamonds. Very nice, very nice. As usual, I'm going to link all the products shown in today's video in the video description box down below, okay? And I will let you know the prices of these at the end of the video, okay? So let me put this to one side and we'll move on to the next item. Oh, forgot to say, it came with a standard toolkit as well. Green boat, pink wax, pink pen, single placer. That's all you need if you're new to diamond painting and just want to give it a little taster. Okay? Right, let me pause you. Right, so next item is an off canvas item. Box has arrived in fairly decent condition. A little bit squashed, but not too bad. Okay. So as usual, has all your instructions on the back of how to diamond paint. Okay. So this is in the new arrivals section of the website. As I can see, it's already kitted up, so that's good. And it's a hanging pendant, okay? So it's all rhinestones there. I think we've only got one special shape going on, which is a pink marquee. Lovely. So we have a standard toolkit and we've got the chain in the bag there. And this is the item, guys. There. It's a hanging hot air balloon pendant, yes, with some beautiful pink roses. Some beautiful, let me just turn this eye on there. Some beautiful pink roses. No matter how I do this, we've always got a glare. It's so irritating there. So we've got some beautiful pink roses going on and some pastel colours going through the balloon of the, I don't know what that section's called. The fabric of the hot air balloon. There we go. So yes, I want to give it a little measure. Have a look. Okay. I got this for my garden to hang from my daughter's sensory tree. So This is about 24.5 centimetres. Yeah. 24.5 to 25 centimetres by 22 centimetres. Yeah. So it's a real nice size. Lovely. Let me just give it the adhesive test. I can see where the specials are going just on these little flowers here and on the butterfly actually. So let's see, it's got the plastic covering on the back as well, so you'll have to remove that. And I am just gonna lift it here. Yep, very good adhesive. No, there's no odour there at all, which is really good, especially if you're asthmatic like me. So there we go, lovely. I just love these gorgeous pink roses as well, it's really pretty. Really nice, really nice. Okay, so I've already showed you the diamonds. We've got lots of pinks, purples, greens, oranges and blues, all kitted up and ready to go. And obviously a pink smooth marquee there. Oh, lovely. Whoops, that's a bit too close, isn't it? Lovely jubbly. And they have several different variations of this product as well, so I will put it on the screen for you now so you can see all the different options. Okay, right, let me move on to the last item. Right, last item now is a 30 by 30 partial diamond, partial drill even. So a partial is where we're only diamond painting some of the picture, not all of it, okay? And this one is on the black background, which will really make it pop out once the diamonds are placed. You can see we've got quite a lot of specials going on this one. Has 12 colours, and the symbols are numerical and then alphabetical. Yes, didn't say the symbols on the balloon are also numerical and alphabetical on there as well. Okay, so partials overall do take longer to flatten down because the glue is obviously not all over the place. There's a lovely sparkle in this though. Yeah, so the glue is only where it needs to be. The black background has no glue on at all. Once again, there's several variations of this. I chose this one because it had a little border thing going on, so yes. And roses again, which are obviously my favourite, one of my favourite flowers. Roses, tulips, sunflowers, they are my favourite flowers. Although I do like lilies, but I find lilies are a bit messy, to be fair. Right, there we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I know we've got the glare there, guys. So, yes, really nice. It's going to look really, really good when those diamonds are down, because that black background, I much prefer diamond painting with a black background than a white, because it just sets off the image, especially when working with specials and rhinestones. I don't have a thumbnail, we've only got two legends, one either side. I'll zoom you up close now so you can see the drill area. Really nice and clear. There we go. And that is my item number for this canvas and the size. Okay. So there's that one. And standard toolkit once again. Oh, let's have a look at these diamonds now, guys. Right, so this one has 12 colours, and we have got 2, 4, 5 specials, and then the rest are crystal rhinestones. So let's have a look. So we have got a gorgeous purple marquee there, not marquee, purple rhinestone in the medium size with the AB coating on. And that's the Aurora Borealis coating, which gives it's an extra coating that's applied to the top of the diamond to give it an extra sparkle and throw off lots of different colours like the Northern Lights. Yes, very nice. And then we have another AB coated green marquee. And this is in a medium size as well. I've seen quite a lot of these actually now, these green marquees, very light green as well. Okay, we've got the smooth marquee in the baby pink colour. That's in a medium size marquee as well. And then we've got 2 bags of yellow, golden yellow marquees there. Very nice, very shiny. And then we've got a medium sized golden yellow as well in the rhinestone. Very nice. And then we have baby pink. We've got a lilac colour there, soft green, golden yellow, gorgeous red, very nice. Now that's an unusual colour. That's like a really light brownish shade, but I'm gonna go with really light brown actually, creamy brown, and then a hot pink. Lovely. There we go. So that is going to be absolutely beautiful on there. Really nice, really nice. Right, okay, so let's get the prices for you. So this gorgeous 30 by 30, this one is $4.99, £3.94, which is a really good price, especially when working with special shapes and crystal rhinestones, because they always seem to just cost a little bit more than the normal acrylic ones. Okay, so there's that one. And then for our gorgeous hot air balloon hanging pendant, this one is $10.99, £8.68. Okay, again a really good price for a lovely hanging wall pendant there. And I'm always recommend sealing all your products, guys, and if you don't seal any of the canvases, that's fine, but always seal off canvas because those diamonds will move around otherwise. Okay, so the last one, which is Little Miss Tweety Pie here, this one, she is so cute, lovely. So she is $4.99, £3.94 as well. Okay, for full drill 30 by 30 as well. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining me for today's unboxing. I hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions, please leave them in the comments section. And yes, which one is your favourite, guys? Let me know in the video description box, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it really helps my channel grow on the dreaded algorithm. Yes. Okay guys, take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.